Wala, thank you, Gate.
Blow na blow.
Blow the candle.
1, 2, 3.
Hi guys! So time check, it's 7:30 and nari kami di subong sa may Granada. So diri na lang kami mamakal sang amon nga kalanon para buwas. So more of dilatas lang kami and may nakitaan kami nga kakanin. So mabakal man to sila ni Jasser and ni Pam. So see you!
Sa market. No.
Uy, basi maguba na ako nga rada, Jas.
Yun na magaba yan, nakakompak lang siya. Bakit mo na yung plastic?
Oh.
Dobi Max.
Kambal mo bala madala ko speaker kay ma-vlog ta to.
Yung speak. Hala, siling yung microphone.
Ate, microphone na lang. Ano yung tawag mo?
Nagkakasa yung mga DJI. Ay, DJI mga mic.
DJ nga mic. Ay, ang mic, okay. Ang mic sa DJ. Dala ko gina iya.
Nice. Mic, DJI.
Welcome to Day in My Life as a Capricorn Lady. Tara! Sabay niyo ko subong for another grassland escape. So after almost 3 months, we're finally back here in grassland and we are going to camp, guys. Because for tomorrow's video, we are going to go to the highest falls here in Murcia, which is the Balantak Falls. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys the trail going to grassland. So it took us 2.5 hours to reach grassland kay kamang pugat sa among nga bag and kabudlay sa ngalagyan given nga nagainulan. So as you can see, guys, damo nagkalatumba nga puno and this was also brought by Bagyong Tino. So the last time we went here, it was last November and mas worse to ang dalan. So right now, medyo na clear na siya gani, guys. But still, budlay siya para sa amon because kamangatlag ko sang amon nga bag.
Dalom ato, may talapak ano. Oh, tapos tapak sa dalom. Mag-anong gigali iya bag ko?
Mag-an! Roja.
Tabok sa piyak. Wow. Nasalig sa mga ano ha? Kapit-kapit. Dua mo lang man di ba? Ay, kuha mo ng duha ka budlay lang di ba?
Oh, may iras. Amo ni siyang nag-landslide.
Ano nilibig diba? Ano pa din nilibig doon sa dagdag wala?
Oo. Kaya ano, pag ito yan ang dumala, bala nga nagbasa.
Dituod mahikap ko naka-gloves. Dituod mahikap ko naka-gloves.
Muna nga, isang kumot ko na. Basa na siya, guys. Basa ako ni Jack.
Alright. Kaya mo na.
Ay.
Malabay pa ito sa sapon mo.
Pababaw ito ang balantak.
Bala. Yes. Kami. Hello, Pamela. Jasser. go. Patag na natin guys. So, maka-video-video na ta natin. Pero kakurog yan, kabot gali eh. Siga pam, siga pam. Teka, kasi iuot ka tam. Taputa, taputa. Sir, ano naman?
Ikaw na, walang daiya.
Dali na.
Para ikaw naman. Masyod sa hamon.
Dalian na.
Parang salatayan. Oo, para siya magkahambog.
Ikaw na. It's all yours.
Kung hindi magaling sa hotel, hindi ka lang ma-study. Saan ang niya ka ta na cute-cute to?
Jurassic Park. This is Jurassic Park. Gafrog na siya. As in. Okay. Oops. Ay, sorry pa.
Agay.
Frog.
Ang ahon nga.
Gafrog.
Sakit.
Jazz. Na, gafrog.
Ate na tingog ko.
Oras, lupagin mo, diba? Lupad na kami.
Ang trekking pole mo. Bebe. I'll go.
Okay na tani.
Chinese garter ko yun.
Chinese garter. Grabe nga pag-heels ang inner child ni Chinese garter sa may kawayanan.
Nan. Squat best. Buti na lang, anak ako sa squat best.
Nagsabi ang cellphone ko.
Nagsabi mo, nagsalapon niya.
Hindi ang bag, ang cellphone.
Wala agas ko sa pagtutok ng bali mo.
Gane. Buti na lang, anak ako sa squat best.
Mukha mo kaya.
First pa lang to sa kawayan. May ara pa next.
Pogi pag bagyo.
Pagpulpul na. Siya na yung ginaprayo ko.
Oh my gosh. Ang trekking pole. Bonggo. Pita lang, gid. Ikaw ang simoy sa tuktok ng bundok. Lapit ko na lang gid ya, ubaon akong sapatos. If you were able to watch my very first vlog of my first hike here in Grassland, you would understand why this place means so much to me. That trail wasn't just a trail. That hike wasn't just a hike. It was the beginning of something that changed me. Grassland is very close to my heart because this is where I faced my fears. This is where I confronted my insecurities. Every step I took that day felt heavy, not just physically but emotionally. But I kept going, and when I reached the top, I realized something. Sometimes, all it takes is one trail to remind you how strong you really are. The first experience made me fall deeply in love with hiking. It made me feel small in the most beautiful way. Small in front of nature, but powerful within myself. It brought me closer to nature, closer to peace, and closer to who I truly am. That's why I keep coming back. Because Grassland reminds me of the version of myself who didn't give up. So I challenge you, if you've never tried hiking, try it at least once. Just once. You might discover something you didn't know you were looking for. Maybe you'll fall in love with it, maybe you won't, but maybe, just maybe, you'll find a stronger version of yourself along the trail. And for me, that one hike was enough to make me want to keep going again and again.